Today is an exciting day because I just received my new Beatbot AquaSense X pool vacuum robot. And let me tell you, the timing could not be better. I just opened up my pool a little bit early this year because I installed some new equipment and my pool could definitely use a good cleaning. I've been using pool robots to clean my pool for years now, but never have I had one with this many features and this much technology. I can honestly say I'm really looking forward to cleaning my pool this year to see what this thing is capable of. Not only will the AquaSense X clean the bottom of your pool, it also cleans the walls, the water line, and the surface. That's right, it actually takes place of two different robots, a vacuum and a skimmer all in one. And if that seems like a whole lot, there's even more. It actually comes with its own docking station, which charges and cleans the robot for you. Because we all know that is a dirty, dirty task. This is part one of a two-part video series I'm going to be doing on the AquaSense X. This first video is going to be a simple unboxing to show you all the parts and pieces that come with it, and I'm going to set it up to get it going. When you receive the AquaSense X, it arrives in two different boxes. One of them is the robot vacuum itself, and the other one is the base. I have to admit, I was really surprised at how heavy these boxes were, but I'm assuming that's because this thing is really well built. So let's go ahead and open these things up and I'll show you what you get. I'm going to start with the smaller of the two boxes, which is the actual robot vacuum itself. The first thing I noticed when I opened up the vacuum robot box itself was this great quick start guide. I really like it when companies provide these. It helps prevent you from having to dig through all those little tiny instruction booklets. The packaging and protection inside this box was outstanding. There's no way that this thing would be damaged during shipment. The robot itself does not come with a whole lot of parts and pieces. There is a retrieval hook, which is used to grab the robot in case it gets stuck at the bottom of the pool. There are these rubber side brushes, which I'll have to mount to the robot itself. And there is a water purification cartridge. Other than that, it's just the instructions and that quick start guide that I showed you. Mounting those rubber side brushes is really simple. Just a matter of connecting one end to a little hook on this bearing or wheel, wrapping it around, pulling it tight, and reconnecting the other end to that same hook. To install that water purification cartridge, open up the front here, take off the cap, peel off the foil, and simply snap it in place and close the cover. Other than pulling off all these little pieces of protection plastic, your pool robot is ready to use once you get those side brushes mounted. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up this self-cleaning charging base system. Again, this thing's a little bit heavy, so pulling it out of the box is going to require a little bit more effort. Again, the packaging is really great. They spent a lot of time to make sure that this thing would not get damaged during shipping. At first, I wondered where all the parts and pieces were that came with this, and then I quickly realized that it was all stored nice and neat in a box inside of that storage waste bin. Inside this box of parts, you'll find everything you need to get this base set up. On the very top of the box, you're going to find the two hoses, one for the waste discharge and the other one for the water supply. There's this swinging nozzle cleaning head that actually goes inside the robot, which I'll have to put together and mount onto the base. It comes with these really great bags that you put inside the waste bin so that you can pick up all the debris and it still lets all the water escape. This unit apparently is capable of holding up to 2 months of debris without having to clean it out. They even give you a Y fitting for your hose bib so that you can hook this up to a hose bib and still have access to hook up a garden hose for your other personal use. There's some screws and a wrench and an Allen wrench to assist you in putting everything together, and they even give you some thread tape. The first thing you're going to want to do is find a suitable location for your base. Hopefully that's close to your pool. I'm fortunate enough to have an area on my upper deck where I have an outlet and a water supply really close by. Once you get the unit positioned, You'll want to take advantage of these really great adjustable feet to make sure that it's good and level. And they even give you a bubble level on top of the unit itself to make sure. Beatbot has thought of everything that you'll need to make installation super easy. Next, you'll want to connect the water supply and the drain hose. Pull back, open up that rear cover, use the hose clamp that comes with the kit, slide it over that bottom connection here, and tighten up that hose clamp. The water supply is really easy because it comes with this quick connect. It's that simple. And then simply replace the cover, and you're good to go. Then all you have to do is connect your hose to the hose bib using that Y splitter that it came with, and let the drain hose drain somewhere where it's not going to make a mess. Assembly of the cleaning head is pretty simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is put on this rubber gasket. Basically just stretch it over, and pay attention because it does only fit on this thing in one way. Now it's time to mount the cleaning head, which simply slips over this fitting, and then using the Allen wrench, you tighten down the 4 screws. The quick start guide didn't really get into installing the mesh bin liner, but I looked at the instructions and it was a matter of just putting it in and stretching the band over the top. All in all, from start to finish, including unboxing and getting this thing set up and ready to use, took me about 20 to 25 minutes. And I do have to say, this is an incredible piece of machinery sitting right here on the corner of my deck. So that's it for this first video as far as getting it set up and ready to go. In the second video, I'm gonna go ahead and power it up, get it connected to my app on my phone. That's right, this thing is app controlled. And we're gonna go ahead and put it in the pool and see what it's capable of doing. So make sure you check out that second video. And if you're already interested in getting one of these, there are links in this description video for you to start looking at getting one for yourself.